Intro. Welcome to our channel. Today I will explain YouTube A to Z, from creating a channel to monetization. Stay till the end. Step 1. Channel Basics. Create your YouTube channel with Gmail. Add profile picture and banner. Write about section with keywords. Step 2. Niche and planning. Choose your niche carefully. Options: tech, education, gaming, vlogging. Plan your content schedule. Step 3. Content creation. Focus on video quality. Use natural light or ring light. Editing tools: CapCut, VN, Premiere Pro. Thumbnails are 70% success. Titles with keywords boost SEO. Step 4. Growth strategies optimize SEO with title, description, and tags. Reply to comments and build trust. Upload at a fixed time. Share on social media platforms. Avoid mistakes like clickbait and copyright. Step 5. Monetization requirement: 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, or 10 million shorts views. Earnings from AdSense, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Outro. This was the YouTube A to Z guide. Remember, patience and consistency are the keys. Like, share,